Beautiful people, it's your boy Jay. Turn this down. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. Hope this video is finding you well. Shooting this from right now, sunny Kansas City. We lost our game last week, man, to the Pats. Was it 43-40? So we only lost by what? 3 points, a field goal, which I say we beat ourselves because those 9 points in the first half, some of those should have been TDs, but it is what it is. You know, we putting up a good game. We play Cincy tonight, so all my people that's watching this video, the Cincy fans, we taking this one, okay? No debate, we taking this one, all right? But shout out, man. Shout out to everybody, man, that's taking a look over into the instant payment funnel, man. That's checking out the income streams. We got 2 signups yesterday, an easy one up. We had someone to upgrade in TCP, and we also got an advertising boost sign up as well. So guys, you know, I just started promoting this, just start pushing this out here, letting people know what's out here. You can officially, you know, jump in, man, because a lot of people are new in this business. I'm tired of seeing so many people reach out to people and then, you know, they don't respond to them, they don't answer them, they don't give them any direction as far as where to go. So that's why I wanted to put together this funnel to kind of help you out, to give you a slight direction and a quick bonus training, just to show you, man, there's people out here that's willing to help you. There's people out here that's willing to try to put you in situations to succeed. You guys just got to jump in, man. You got to jump. And I can only say it so much, you know. Where I have people to say, well, Jay, I don't have a lot of people to talk to about my business. What we're doing right now, guys, I'm a very advocate person about shooting YouTube videos. One of the reasons that I like shooting YouTube videos, excuse me, guys, I'm a little caught up this morning, congested. One of the main reasons that I like YouTube videos is because YouTube, you're able. These are people that are just targeted traffic. These are people that are pretty much looking for what you have. Looking, you know, they're searching for something, whether it's how to make money online or how to make money as a teenager or making money online from your phone. These are things people are looking up. So when they're looking this stuff up, guess what they're finding? They're finding videos like me. They're finding videos like countless others who are major factors in online marketing. Because we're shooting videos, we're putting ourselves out there. It's video marketing. That's the number one thing I tell everybody you want to do is video marketing. The first thing, and for some reason people look past me and they want to go straight to Facebook and start posting in groups. Guys, it's the worst thing to do. It's the worst thing to do because everybody's posting in groups are trying to get you to sign up for their business. And if you are going to post in groups, you want to post in the work from home group. I mean the actual I need a job group or who's hiring. And the only difference about that is that you're going to have to be ready to do a lot of convincing because these are people that are looking for jobs. They're completely looking for a job. So if you're going to do social media marketing, I'm going to suggest doing Facebook ads and whatever proof that you have. Utilize that for social media because people want to see proof on social media. You got to remember is that when you come in the marketing business here, think about everybody that knows you. They're going to be like, okay, this dude was just broke 2-3 weeks ago. Now he's talking about make all this money. All right, this dude was just saying that his car was broke down, and now he's talking about make all this money. He couldn't even get his car fixed. Think about it, man. You guys literally have to think about that. These are normal things that people are going to think about when they're deciding if they want to join your business or not, because you're not being thoughtful of the things that you're putting out there. When you're doing this, guys, you have to people join people, okay? So if you're going to jump in this business, you want to be a leader. So the things that you're going to need to be having in place is systems and training. So when people join, when they come in and they're ready to come in, you want to have things like that. I got a marketing system. I have done for you marketing system. I have training. I literally have everything in place for you. I have vacation vouchers. Anything that you need to sign up for this business, I'm going to help you out and get you completely taken care of and straight. That's what's going to position you from the side of somebody joining you and another person that's making thousands of dollars in this business. So you see what I'm saying, guys? I'm giving you ways that you can capitalize off of these programs and make money in the same time without chasing family and friends. Another reason I do video is because I can answer a lot of questions that people may have that I can just answer and just do it in one video shoot. So one question that thousands of people can have, I'm answering it in one video. See, I'm able to take care of everything in one swoop. It's another reason. It's another reason why you should shoot video, guys. I love it. Like my shirt say, legendary too, man. Because I'm a legend, baby. So, forgot what I was about to say, guys. But video, we're talking about video, okay? So again, if you're gonna be online, guys, video marketing is the #1 thing to do. Again, you can definitely utilize video marketing. I'm gonna say YouTube, okay? You definitely want to be on YouTube pretty hard and take those same exact videos and share them on Facebook, share them on all platforms, Instagram, wherever you can, guys. Just share them, and then put your main, because you got to remember is that YouTube is video. These other platforms are not really made for video marketing. So your videos could actually get lost. They can get buried in your on your timeline. Finish up everything at the ATM. So what we went over here, guys, is pretty much videos. You know, it's why we should be doing videos for our businesses, okay, and how these videos benefit you. I'm still getting signups from a previous program that I was involved in, and those are from videos that I have set up months ago. Literally uploaded these videos months ago, and I'm still getting sales off of them. That's why video is the key. Don't go around chasing family and friends and stuff like that, because they're gonna be the first ones to make you feel even bad about doing online marketing or having a business. Most people, oh, you joined the pyramid, and that right there is gonna stop everything. Knowing damn well this is not no damn pyramid. Hell, their job is a pyramid. Your family is a damn pyramid, guys. So I hate when people, that's just a cop out of saying that I'm lazy. For people to say that, they're just damn lazy. Oh, it's a pyramid. Your family's a pyramid. There's a hierarchy. There's a lowerarchy in the family. It's just how it goes. Your job is a pyramid. You have boss, you have managers, you have employees. Which one are you? You at the top of the pyramid or you at the bottom of the pyramid? I deal with pyramids where I control it. So I'm not new to this game. You can't hit me with the old pyramid thing, guys, because the way things are, I understand affiliate marketing. I explain affiliate marketing, where companies allow you to get a piece of their pie because you are affiliated with them. You buy into their business of some type of sort, okay? So for somebody that is watching this and is new and saying, oh, you guys do pyramids, no, this is not a pyramid, guys, okay? This is not a pyramid. This is direct sales, okay? I call it direct sales. And the company does have people in place that are big time people, but these people do pay me. So it is what it is, all right? But it's Sunday, guys, and I want you to start getting yourselves positioned to make some of this good money with us. I mean, there's a lot of programs out here that we're involved in, and if I didn't touch bases on the income streams, I can definitely do that. Income stream number 1, you're going to have an opportunity to earn anywhere between $25 to $100 to $2,000. Income stream number 2, you're going to earn a residual income, which pretty much is the marketing system that's going to do all of the selling and selling for your business. You're going to be able to reach out to your leads. You're going to be able to look very different. And this is going to be also the system that's going to allow you to copy the same exact page and funnel that I use. Income stream number 3, you're going to earn a 40% commission off of the product. And that's going to be where you're able to give away vacations and dinner vouchers to people that are interested in joining your business, that might want to join your business. You're going to be able to do that with that particular program as well. And all these tie in. So business number 1, you're pretty much getting a business in a box. And you're going to have educational training. So it's going to teach you the ins and outs of marketing pretty much from A to Z, okay? And each product level, at the $25 level is a set of training. At the $100 level is a set of training. $250 level, it's a set of training. $500 level, it's a set of training. And $1,000 level, it's a set of training. Which $2,000 level is a set of training. Whichever level that you come in at, you're going to get the rest of the bottom levels free. Right now, I'm doing a special, which is for the 250s. For everybody to come in at the 250, and it's only a limited time, I'm going to give you limited access.